If you ever want to put your car up or your Model 3 Tesla up on ramps, you're going to find out that the ramps hit the bottom when you try to drive it up. So if you can find like a little downhill area like this, you can put them on the downhill part and then it'll drive right up on them. And you get pretty good access. Make sure you block your tires. This is probably the weakest point I've seen on the car so far. This is just a low spot that tends to hit, and it's, I've had to put bigger washers on all these, and boy, if you drive over anything that is going to hit, this is the first place it hits, and it tears it up pretty good. So just wanted to show that part of the car.